zack&sam going to react to Polina Гагарина. I don't know what the rest says, but let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure you watch the whole video. Your 14 opinions in the comment section down below. We'd like to hear from you. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, like and share. Let's get straight to it. She looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh, you know, proper nice. I've been 3 years already. Really a play. She sounds incredible as always. Look at the background, look at how many people's playing the instruments, the violin, guitar and all that stuff. I don't know all the instruments, but they're playing in the background. It's so nice. And they've got like in the projector, it's like a dome, I don't know what would you call it. But yeah, she's doing an incredible job. Shout out to all the backup people. And the guy who's doing this. Oh my God, Putin, he's here again, you know what I mean? This guy goes to every concert. He went to apologies, what I've reacted to before, and now he's in Paulina's. Incredible, you know what, that's a good president. He goes and supports the singers, that's what you want, you know what I mean? Let me see, has he subscribed to their channel? Whoa, wait.
Долго не томись, ведь теперь у нашей повторившейся любви станет сроком давности вся жизнь. Опять метель.
Back a bit. That sounds incredible.
Опять метель, две вечности сошлись в один короткий день. Опять метель, и мается былое в темноте. Две вечности сошлись в один короткий день. Короткий день. Короткий день.
What is she saying?
В один короткий день. Короткий.
In a short day, a short day.
Короткий день.
Cheap.
Спасибо вам огромное от всей души. С праздником.
Yeah, well, that's it to the video. Absolutely amazing performance, as always. Let me know in the comment section down below, what was this song about? What's the meaning behind it, and where is she performing? Is it like a Russian anthem or something? Or let me know in the comment section down below. I would want to know. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, like and share. Make sure you go and subscribe to Paulina's channel. Show her some love. Until next time, see you again. Boom.